Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to talk about links that sometimes it happens that we have added links, CSS links, let's say, and all the style sheets, but style is not working. So why this has happened, and in this video I'm going to talk about this. So we can actually write in three different way, so like this, and here if I say, let's say body, if I say background color, or let's say I will say background color, I'll say red. So what will happen if we go here, if I refresh, now it will be red. This is one of the way, and another way is, let's say you don't want to actually style it here, you can actually directly go for the body, and then here you will actually use this style attribute here, and then here you will say that background color, let's say red. Now if I refresh, same, right? If I say blue, let's say, it turns to blue. And we have another one, and people think that this is the professional one, but I don't think, but yeah, people think so. This is the truth. Okay, so yeah, you have to actually create a new file, and then you have to say style.css. so it will now act as a style.css, and make sure you have added it here in the link sheet. In the link here you have to give the reference, let's say style.css. that's it. And now let's just remove this from here, and now let's go there in the style, and here I'm going to say I want to actually do it for the body, so body, I'll say this one. Now if I say green, let's go refresh, and now it's turned to, and now it's turns into green, right? All right, so why you actually miss let's say sometimes the style. Let's say I want to create here a folder, new folder, let's say I'll say style, or let's say style, let's say. So this is the folder, right, inside HTML, and I want to move this CSS file in the style. And now what will happen, let's go back, refresh. So my style sheet is missing. Why? Because I haven't actually mentioned the path. So now my style sheet is not here, my style sheet is inside style.css, right? If I go here, you can see. So what I have to do, I have to go to the link, and here I have to mention that okay, now my file is inside style folder and then style.css. Now if I refresh, now here you can see we got the style. So this is the main mistake, remember. Okay, so that's it. I hope you understand. And if you are using Laravel and let's say some other thing, then that time let's say you are missing your style sheet. So what you have to do, you have to actually add the style sheet at the top of the page, and you have to say base, and then here in the reference you have to mention that where your CSS file is. That's it, guys. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.